Hello everyone, welcome to new class. Let us study about a new subject, control systems. So this is a little tough subject. So before going to control systems, what is a system? So a system is when a number of elements or components are connected in a sequence to perform a specific function. The group thus formed is called a system. So, a system is a number of components connected in a sequence to perform a particular function. And it have input and output. So the input may be electrical, mechanical or biomedical. So electrical means voltage, current, like that, and mechanical means speed, torque, etc. And what is control system? In a system, when the output quantity is controlled by varying the input quantity, the system is called control system. The output quantity is called controlled variable or response. So, output quantity is called controlled variable or response. And input quantity. Input quantity is called command signal. Command signal or excitation. And next is about multiple input, multiple output system. MIMO. So here there will be a number of inputs, that is P number of inputs and S number of outputs in a system. So multiple input multiple output system means a system which have P number of inputs and S number of outputs. And if this P equal to S equal to 1, it is called single input single output system, SISO. So if only one input and one output, it is called SISO or single input single output system. And if a system has multiple input and multiple output, it is called MIMO. Next is the types of control systems. There are two types of control systems, open loop system and closed loop system. First one is open loop system. So this is the diagram for open loop system. If there is no feedback from the output to input, it is called open loop system. So here the output has no effect on the input quantity. But if the input is varied manually, we get the corresponding output. But due to external disturbances, the system output may change. And when the output changes due to disturbances, it is not followed by changes in input to correct the output. So in open loop systems, the changes in output are corrected by changing the input manually. The advantages of open loop system are it is simple and economical, and it has less maintenance is required, and generally the open loop systems are stable. The main disadvantages are it is inaccurate and it is not reliable. The changes in external disturbance such as temperature, we will not get the desired output. Output is affected by noise. Examples are speed control on DC motor, then traffic control. So traffic control means the traffic signals operated on a time basis constitute an open loop system. Next is closed loop system. The control systems in which the output quantity has an effect on the input quantity in such a manner as to maintain the desired output value are called the closed loop systems. The open loop system. Open loop system can be modified as closed loop system by providing a feedback path. The provision of the feedback automatically corrects the changes in output due to disturbances. Hence, the closed loop system is also called automatic control system. Automatic control system. So this is the general block diagram of automatic control system, and it consists of error detector. So this is error detector, or we can say summer, and controller. This is open loop system, or we can say plant, and a feedback path. So this is the input, that is reference signal. The reference signal corresponds to the desired output. The feedback path elements. So this is the feedback path. So the feedback path elements samples the output and convert it to a signal of same type as that of the reference signal. The feedback signal is proportional to the output signal and is fed to the error detector. The error signal generated by the error detector is the difference between the reference signal and the feedback signal. The controller modifies and amplifies the error signal to produce better control action, and the modified error signal is fed to the plant to correct its output. So this is about the closed loop system. The advantages of closed loop system are it is accurate and reliable, and it is less affected by noise. The disadvantages are the maintenance is required, the overall gain is less, so stability is less, and it is costlier. Examples of closed loop system are traffic control system. So, a traffic control system can be made as a closed loop system if the time slots of the signals are decided based on the density of traffic. Another example is AC, that is air conditioner. So let us discuss more about control systems in the next classes. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel.